Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about group by class in SQL, which is one of the fundamental concepts in SQL which allows you to group rows based on specific columns and perform aggregate functions on the grouped data. So in this tutorial we will explore the uses of group by class with the examples. To illustrate the uses of group by, we will create a sample table and named as sales which contains data about sales transactions. So let's create a table and insert some data. Table is created. Let's insert some data into it. So this is the data which I am going to insert into the table named sales with the column names ID, product name, category and quantity and price. So let's run this query. So this is the table. So let's start with an first example of using group by class using single column. So I am going to find out total quantities sold in each category. So here you can see there are only two types of categories, electronics and clothing. So I am going to find out total quantity in electronics and total quantity in clothing. So let me write the query as select category, comma, sum of quantity as total quantity from table name sales, and I will use a group by class, and I will use single column for first example. So let me give category semicolon. So 24 is total quantity sold from the category electronics. So from the electronics, 10 plus 8 plus 6 is 24, and 10 is result for the total quantity from the category clothing. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. So let's go with the second example of using group by class in SQL by using multiple columns. So let me write the query as select category, comma, sum of quantity as total quantity from table name sales, and group by class I will use multiple columns, category and product. And let me run this query. So we need to give product in the select statement. So here there is no any repetition in the product name. So I'm going to add a repeated row into the sales table. So here you can see for the product F the total quantity is 2, and now I am going to insert another row, insert into table name, values. I will just copy and paste this data. But I will change this quantity as 7. So this is going to give the result as total quantity from the product F. Let me run this query. So this is the resultant table by using group by class using multiple columns category and product. So in the product F, you can see the total quantity is 9, which is 7 plus 2 is 9. So let's say another example of using group by class in SQL. So you can also use aggregate functions like count, average, max or a minimum in conjunction with group by to derive useful insights from your data. So let's find the average price of each category. Select category, comma, average of price as average price from table name cells, group by category, semicolon. So here from the category electronics, the average price is 63.33, and from the category clothing, the average price is 15.0. So try using aggregate functions like count, max and min using group by class. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.